Hit the gas, it causes a stumble or a stutter, and you also worry about the wear and tear of those extra cylinders not working. And just a quick step back, the active fuel management or dynamic fuel management is basically, if your car is a V8 or a V6, it will cut your car down to 4 cylinders to try to save gas and efficiency. But sometimes in that switchover you get a stumbling or a stalling when you go to hit the gas, which can sometimes cause issues. And there's even been some concern of increased wear and tear on those cylinders not being used. So if you want to get rid of that, here is the solution for you. Here's a little device that you just plug into the computer, and it's going to disable that function. But what's great about this is it's not going to alter your computer, it's not going to void your warranty, and it's 100% reversible just by unplugging it. So let's go ahead, we're going to unbox this, and I'm going to show you how to plug it up. Alright, this is the box that the device comes in. It's a nice, small, compact device. You just open it up, and here it is. It's just that simple and that easy. And like I said, if you plug this in, it's going to get rid of the active or dynamic fuel management system, but it is 100% reversible, and there will be no trace left behind that you had this plugged in. So if you're worried about voiding your warranty, that should not be a concern, because this will not do that. And also, make sure you check the description for the wide variety of vehicles that this actually works on, because it covers several manufacturers and several engine types. So check out the description to make sure it's going to work with your vehicle.